being back to God's hands. In His hands. That is where we are safe. Right? So, kasi like us, we've been through dark times. Especially last year when our dad got sick. And there were times na parang nakapaghinaan kami ng loob and all that. But you know what made us believe that God is really there? It was when Pastor Percy and a lot of members of FPUMC went there sa ICU to visit our dad and to pray for him. Prayers really do work. You know, because that was his third attack and we thought that so from then on, we started our ministry of Vesper service. Our family, we sing there every Sunday, Vesper service, because that's how we would like to thank God. So revive, what does revive mean? That was the time na na-realize namin na sa Kanya lang talaga kami malakas, na it's really not how you should rush things, how you should be busy, how you should stress yourself to be popular, to get there, to be somebody, because really, you know, we can never be somebody without God. So from that day on, when my dad our church, it's really the United Methodist Church. That is our home where we can pray